Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your NFL Plus subscription on iPhone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go under your settings. So click on settings. Okay, from here, you're going to want to click on your name or your Apple ID section. So I'm going to click on my name. It says Apple ID, iCloud, media and purchases. Click there. Okay, from this screen, you're gonna go down into see media and purchases. So click on media and purchases and it'll prompt you for password settings or view account. So click on view account. So from this screen, you're gonna scroll down until you see subscriptions. So click on subscriptions and under your active section, you should see NFL Plus. It'll tell you when it's going to renew and how much you'll be charged. So I'm going to click on NFL Plus, and from here I could choose to cancel my subscription. So I'm going to cancel my subscription to NFL Plus now. Cancel subscription, confirm cancellation. If you confirm and end your subscription now, you can still access it until September 19th of 2023. And I'm going to click on confirm. And just like that, I have canceled my NFL Plus subscription. But I can still use it until September 19th of 2023. That was 1 year after I had already purchased it. So I still get the full year even though I canceled it ahead of time. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.